So I recently passed my CCNA, and in this video I'm going to show you that how I passed my CCNA, how you can pass your CCNA too. Hi everyone, going to share all the resources which I use during my entire CCNA journey. So please watch this video till the last, and if you need any kind of help after watching this video, please ping me on LinkedIn, on Instagram or on Twitter. All the links are in the description box below.
So if you need to pass any certification exam, not just CCNA, so you need to have a good training course, you need to have good books, you need to have labs, and you need to have practice exams. So four pillars are there for a certification exam. So for training course, I use CVT Nuggets. For books, I use Cisco Press books and Todd Lamle books. And I will recommend Todd Lamle books. Cisco Press books were so boring, and I will not recommend the Cisco Press books. For labs, go to my GitHub, link is in the description box, and you can make your own labs and upload them to GitHub. You can document your journey. And fourth pillar is practice exam. So I used a CCNA practice exam book, and I used a Udemy practice course. So if I show you all the resources, first of all, the CVT Nuggets course was very helpful. This course consists 58 hours of practice labs, and this course is not for just CCNA, but this course is general in networking. This course will teach you a lot of things, lot of practical things, different things, and I'm glad that I found this course and I paid for it. So second, this book, the volume 1 and volume 2 of CCNA 200-301 by Wendell Oden. The practice exams on these books were very good, and these are very hardcore books on networking, but these books are a little bit boring to read and to study. So I will recommend this Todd Lamle volume 2, not volume 1. That is for absolute beginners who don't know anything about networking. But if you know something about networking, if you have some experience, so you can try this book's volume 2, exam 200-301 by Todd Lamle. This book is amazing, and this is very helpful. This was very helpful to pass my exam. Then third of all, I will show you the YouTube channel of Keith Parker. So go to that channel. He's a trainer on CVT Nuggets, but go to his channel and found this CCNA master playlist. This will this and Submit Saturdays and these Packet Tracer labs. So these three playlists are very, very, very helpful. If you follow along with these playlists, so you will pass the exam easily. You will understand the concept behind all these things in a very fun way. He teaches in a very fun way, so I very much admire him. Now for the practice exams in Udemy, I use Sean Hummel's practice pre-exam practice tests. These tests were good, but these were not that great, but these were good enough to supplement your studies. Now this book, CCNA certification practice test, I purchased this book, and this book is amazing, and this has over 1000 practice questions, even half of it, even 500 questions. So this will very much impact you. There were very identical questions on the actual exam from this book. So I will definitely recommend this book, CCNA certification practice test. And next thing, you can go to my GitHub and please download all these labs. So I have somewhat 15 labs on this GitHub account, my GitHub account. So go and download it and play with it in Packet Tracer and try to understand that what is going on in these labs. Make your own labs, make your own identical labs and share with other people and help them. So if you have any query, you can go to my LinkedIn from here and you can ask me any query regarding these labs or regarding CCNA. And I'm also starting like teaching CCNA. If you want to CCNA and your Network Plus, even your Network Plus, so I will teach. You can go to my Fiverr account. I will share this gig with you, and you can go there and I will teach you important concept of the exam in 5 days, and you can try this also if you like it. So these are all the resources I use to pass my CCNA exam.
I have handwritten notes on each and every topic of the CCNA which I prepared during my preparation. So if you want these handwritten notes, please ping me on Fiverr.
Now I will show you my methodology for studying. So what I did, I watched the whole CBT Nugget series at first, then I make short notes from it. So I make short notes from the videos, then I studied the book, the Todd Lamle version of the book, then I created my own labs in GitHub, and then I went for the practice exam. So like there are 6 sections in your CCNA exam. So first section, for example, first section is networking fundamental. So for networking fundamental, I watch the CBT Nugget video, then I will go to the Todd Lamle's book and I will study about all those networking fundamentals. Then I will make some labs over it, and then I will go to the book and solve all the practice questions from the network fundamental part of the exam. Then I will go to the second section, which is network access, and this is my favorite section of the CCNA and I very much like it. So for this section, again I will go to the CBT Nuggets, I will watch all the videos, then I will found all the topics on the book, I will study those topics, I will make some labs over it, then I will go to the practice exam and I will solve all the questions, or not all but 50 to 60 questions over this section, and I will verify my knowledge there. Then the third section, network, I think it is IP connectivity, then fourth section, then fifth, and then sixth. So this was my methodology during the training, and during these 6 months I finally passed my CCNA on 17th of July. So I was studying from February like 15 or February 20. Eventually I like completed all my syllabus once at the end of April, I think. Then I again revisited that syllabus in the June or July month. So I passed my CCNA finally, and this is the methodology I use.
So if you are new to this channel, so I am preparing for my Linux Plus and I am documenting whole journey in this channel. So please subscribe to watch that journey and how I'm learning Linux. So this is the end for this video, and I hope that this video will help you in your CCNA preparations. And if you have any query and any questions left regarding these like resources or anything about CCNA, you can just ping me on LinkedIn, on Instagram, or on Twitter. So stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.